It's that time of the year. Christmas is coming up, New Year's is coming up, so there will be a lot of house parties, and some of us will also be organizing house parties. Hey YouTube family, welcome to my channel Decorate with Manas. How are you? To be honest, I think organizing house parties can be slightly overwhelming because there is this pressure to do everything right and kind of impress our guests. And trust me, it's not difficult, it's very easy. So today's video is about how to set up your table in a house party where all your food will be displayed. That is definitely going to impress all your guests. And trust me, it's not difficult, it's quite easy, but you just have to follow a rhythm. All the elements should be there, and I'm going to cover all of them in the video. So please watch the video till the end. With that, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. Alright, let's start with a clean slate. The first thing that I'm doing is put some easy to grab food like chips or peanuts into these decorative bowls that I already had. These things are very easy for guests to grab and keep eating throughout the party. Use any bowls that you already have at your home. They need not be matching. In fact, different patterns and different sizes create a more dynamic look. Then you need to have something solid for people to keep eating, and again my choices are generally some kind of a tandoori paneer or chicken if there are non-vegetarian guests as well. So here I have ordered some nice tandoori paneer, and it already came in these pretty bowls. So I am just laying it out in this cutting board that I already have and putting all the condiments and chutneys alongside in a nice formation. Now if you have other serving trays, you can use that as well to lay out this food, but I thought it would be easier to just put these containers on the tray itself. So I made this arrangement with the bigger bowls on one side and the chotu bowls on one side and put it on the table. Again, you can be creative here. There is no hard and fast rule at all. Now for the desserts, I feel that cupcakes are easier to grab and eat, and I have this set of 6 assorted cupcakes, and I thought instead of the box I would place them as well in a bowl in this kind of an arrangement where I place 5 of those surrounding the one pink one inside. So then they look more contained and more beautiful as a unit. And lucky for me, they fit really well in this bowl. These cucumbers also came with the paneer, and I thought I'll just trim the excess cardboard to give it a neater look and place it near the paneer. These tiny details make a lot of difference in the overall picture. Now let's talk about my favorite part, which is decor. I think for any festive or party decor, candles are a must. I think they add such a nice dimension, they create light, it just makes everything look better and softer. So the whole food also looks much better. So I have this set of candle holders, which is a wooden set. So I put 2 candles on it and lit it up. Again, you can get creative here. If you don't have candle holders, you can use a set of coasters. You can use anything that you already have to elevate the candles and place them on the table. Scented candles would be even better to create a really nice ambience in the whole room. So this is how our table looks at the moment. It looks nice, but it's still missing a wow factor, which we will add now. So I had this 1-week-old bouquet which was gifted to me, and it was lying around my house. So what I did was I salvaged anything that I could from the bouquet, any kind of fresh looking flowers or leaves, and cut it out and then started placing them on the table in random positions, just like small bunches here and there. Well, we Indians don't like to waste anything, do we? So yeah, I was able to get out 5-6 sets of flowers which were in okay condition and place it, and this adds another dimension, a little bit of color, a little bit of thoughtfulness into your table setup. It looks very pretty. Now you can add more things to add some kind of texture, grain to the table. I had this coaster which is made from a jute, so I placed one of the candles on this to just add another dimension and texture to the entire table. And also I forgot to add my table runner in the beginning. That could have been a good starting point. So I'm now placing it and kind of slowly and carefully slipping it under the things that we have already placed, and that would kind of bring the whole look together. Again, I'm not following any specific theme, I'm just using what I have and kind of trying to give it a best shot. And my table runner already had these blocks of colors which would go with any festival or theme. The last thing is to keep tissue papers on the table so that the guests can keep wiping their hands as they are eating. I'm repurposing my coaster holder to keep tissues there. If you have printed tissues, they would look even better. And I also cut a small branch from my bougainvillea in my balcony and then placed it next to the candle to just add a little bit of green as well to this entire arrangement. And look, the whole thing has turned out pretty good. It looks very nice. And again, this is not too expensive or too fancy. I think this is a very achievable look for all of us. I'm sure that these simple touches will make any kind of occasion or house party look very pretty, and you'll love it. It's simple and would not take more than 30 minutes. Also, additionally, you can add some festive touches to it to just like make it that theme. For example, if it's Christmas, you can add red candles and maybe anything red that you have to create a more Christmassy theme. So my guests have started coming and they have started grabbing some food. I think ultimately having a great time with your friends, with your guests is the most important thing. So enjoy and have fun with your near and dear ones, and everything will be okay. These half-eaten cakes have a lot of story to tell. I was definitely happy with how my table setup was looking and how it turned out. It took around 30 minutes to set up the entire thing. So it's easy, all of us can do this. So this was the video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Also let me know which part of the video was your favorite. I love reading your comments. With that, I'll see you in my next video. Until then, bye!